whoa.
Aaron, do I have till 5 o'clock?
Yeah, so I need to see all of your... What was that?
At 5 o'clock. Before
No.
5 o'clock, I'll come there.
No,
Yes.
the inspection's here at the house. It's not
Okay,
at
what's the
Animal
inspection?
Services. So I need to see your leash. I need to see your
You guys
muzzle.
don't even give me an appointment. You guys don't call me back. I got everything. He
Okay, so
served everything,
I need
and we
to
called every
see...
Let me talk for a second.
I need to speak. You asked me a
No,
question,
you guys
and then
have talked
I
too
needed
much.
to speak.
Because your report
So I
was
need
wrong.
to see
what you
your
guys wrote
muzzle.
Was wrong.
The
See,
what?
listen,
I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna bring the kennel outside for you.
So the kennel should be in the backyard, ground in.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so do you want to grab your other stuff? The muzzle, the leash, the insurance, the proof of training, all
I
that?
got everything. Yeah, I have it right here. You want
Right there?
Yes.
I don't have to come inside. You can show it to me right here.
They accused me of the wrong thing that my dog did. They wrote a report without my
Okay,
being witness to
what
it.
is this? This is just a...
That is a certification for the vicious animal.
This is not that. This is not even from Animal Services.
This is not our address.
Okay, can I see your liability insurance and
Yes,
the
I do have it,
muzzle
yes.
and the leash?
And I
Okay,
don't like
can you
this
get
because
that?
you're embarrassing my parents, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and call an attorney. Just watch.
If you're not going to be cooperative and show me the keeping
see what I'm
restrictions,
saying?
then
You
we
don't
will take
understand what I'm
possession of the
talking
dog.
about.
I'm not going to keep going around in circles with you, ma'am.
There's a number, policy number. You can go ahead and take down the policy number for the insurance.
No, you need to show me where it says that your liability is at least $100,000. I'm not going to call them. That's not my
I
responsibility.
can't do that. That's what I talked to them
Okay,
3
so
days ago
then
about.
you're already in violation there, ma'am. All right, do you want to show me the leash and the muzzle and the kennel in the meantime? The dog is inside the house, right?
He's in the garage. The dog doesn't do anything. You want me to take him out and see? He's going to bite you out. He doesn't touch anything. Unless the guy probably hit him or something. No way my dog would have.
Can you show us where your kennel is?
What do you mean I cannot?
You have to have a ground-in kennel in your backyard.
He said it on this.
There is specifications for a kennel that you
I
have to have in the
understand, but I don't
backyard.
see that here.
It has to be ground in.
What do you
Well-
mean grounded? Like what?
Ground in means it's secured to the ground. At this point in time, we're going to have to take possession of the dog, and he's going to have to go to the shelter. From that point on, give you more time, but technically you are in violation of the keeping restrictions. We need you to go get the dog and load him onto the vehicle.
I can't, not
So
my dog. I can't take my dog. I did everything I could.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
You got broken skin?
Yeah.
All right, well, ma'am, he bit this officer.
Yeah.
Now,
Right here, ma'am.
Because I
Not
told
this
you
is-
guys, let me take him
you
myself.
did not
Okay,
have control
no,
of
you
the
have
dog.
control
Let me take him
All right,
myself.
All right. You can call.
You guys didn't
Get all your
tell
stuff,
me.
okay?
My Zeus is like my child. He's like my son. I don't have any kids. I'm not married. He's an amazing, kind, compassionate, protective soul that doesn't deserve to die.
It all began back in May when owner Fariel Kabir came home with Zeus after spending time at a dog park. Kabir said when she opened her car door, Zeus lunged at a man who she claims was behind her SUV and bit him. She says the bite didn't puncture his skin and that it was a protective reaction.
Does she have any remorse for those who were bitten by Zeus?
I think that the punishment needs to fit the crime.
Attorney Christine Kelly says the bites were provoked in both instances.
When you go back and watch that video, can you say that your client had control of the dog?
I think that I can say Elk Grove Police and Elk Grove Animal Control never should have been there to begin with.